Ready to ditch project chaos and embrace streamlined success with Asana? Let's dive right into the core of Asana for project management first. You'll want to create a new project. Click the plus icon on the left sidebar and choose the type of project you need, like a blank project, or use a template. Now, let's add tasks. Simply click inside the project, type in your task name, and hit enter. Each task represents a specific action item needed to complete your project. To assign a task, click on it. Then click on the Assignee field. Select a team member from the drop-down. This ensures everyone knows who's responsible for what. Setting due dates is crucial. Click on the task again, then click the due date field, and pick a date from the calendar. This keeps everyone on track and helps you meet deadlines. Enhance your tasks by adding details. Write a description with specific instructions. Break down the task into smaller subtasks, and attach relevant files for easy access. Track your progress visually using the Kanban board view. Drag and drop tasks across columns like to do, in progress, and complete it to see exactly where everything stands. Asana fosters seamless collaboration. Comment directly on tasks to discuss progress, ask questions, and tag team members to bring them into the conversation. Use the timeline view for a Gantt chart representation of your project. Visualize dependencies and identify potential roadblocks before they happen. Finally, leverage reports and dashboards to gain insights into project performance. Track progress, identify bottlenecks, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your workflow. And there you have it. You're now equipped to harness the power of Asana for effective project management. Go forth, streamline your workflows, and achieve project success. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips.